This is a working, 2-aspect, distance signal, by train tech in double gauge. The signal is exclusively for use with a DCC layout. In the box, you will find the signal already assembled ready for use. You'll also find a detail pack to finish the model. The signal's features include a wireless power clip to connect directly to track. Alternatively, wires can be attached to the connections adjacent to the base unit. Hidden inside the base is the unit's integrated decoder. This allows the signal to both talk to and be operated via your DCC controller. Programming the signal is easy thanks to the one-touch technology. Simply bridge the end terminals and the decoder will do the rest. This signal features yellow and green LEDs to represent a distance signal. And the detail pack allows you to add ladders, handrails, and a lineside phone to the model. Full instructions are also provided to help with installation. This signal is only suitable for DCC use, and can be married to other signals in the range to facilitate block changing. The yellow and green, 2-aspect working color light signal, by Train Tech.